Hey folks, today we're diving into the fascinating world of aloe vera. This spiky wonder has been soothing burns, cuts, and skin irritations for centuries. It's a natural healer, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Today, aloe vera is produced on a massive scale using cutting-edge technology. We're talking about a multi-billion-dollar industry, with products ranging from skin creams and hair gels to health drinks and even pet care. The advanced processes and technology behind these products are truly amazing. So, get ready to go behind the scenes with me as we explore the fascinating journey of how aloe vera goes from plant to product. Aloe vera might sound like some fancy botanical term, but this plant has been around the block a few times. It's been called the burn plant, the medicine plant, even the miracle plant. Aloe vera gel is loaded with vitamins like A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. And don't even get me started on the enzymes. These little guys help break down dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. No wonder people have been using this stuff for centuries. Today, these factories have become synonymous with quality and innovation, ensuring that the basic principles remain the same: harvest the leaves, extract the gel, and bottle up the goodness. So how does aloe vera make its way from the fields to the shelves of your local store? It's an incredible journey, my friends, beginning with the dedicated farmers who grow these amazing plants. These aren't just any gardeners, folks. Next, we move to the massive processing plants where modern technology meets age-old tradition. Here, the fleshy leaves are meticulously harvested, washed, and filleted to extract every precious drop of gel. Finally, we see the transformation from raw gel to the finished products we find on store shelves. So get ready, folks, as we dive into the fascinating world of aloe vera production, from the fields to the factory floor. Our journey begins not in a factory, but under the open sky. Imagine vast fields stretching as far as the eye can see, bathed in golden sunlight. This, my friends, is where the magic starts, on aloe vera plantations that sprawl across thousands of acres. Aloe vera plants with their thick, spiky leaves look more like something you'd find in a desert landscape than a farmer's field. These tough little plants thrive in arid climates, soaking up the sun and storing water in their fleshy leaves. Places like Texas, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic, with their warm temperatures and dry air, have become aloe vera hotspots. It's a match made in heaven, the perfect environment for these sun-loving succulents to flourish. A healthy aloe vera plant can grow up to 4 feet tall, with leaves packed full of that precious gel. These fields are meticulously managed by dedicated workers, ensuring the plants receive the care they need to thrive. Factories oversee these vast plantations, utilizing modern agricultural techniques to maximize yield and quality. Through efficient farming practices and expert care, these sun-kissed fields produce the highest quality aloe vera for the market. Growing aloe vera on a massive scale isn't as simple as scattering some seeds and hoping for the best. It takes careful planning, meticulous care, and a deep understanding of these incredible plants. Aloe vera prefers sandy, well-drained soil that won't get waterlogged. Too much moisture can actually harm the roots, so the farmers have to find that perfect balance. They also have to be mindful of pests and diseases, keeping a watchful eye out for any signs of trouble. It takes time for these plants to mature and produce the highest quality gel. We're talking about 3 to 4 years of careful tending before the leaves are ready for harvest. Factories then ensure the highest quality by carefully processing the harvested leaves to extract the purest gel. Harvesting aloe vera is a meticulous process. Factories handle this crucial step with precision. These plants are surprisingly resilient, but they must be treated right to get the best quality gel. Armed with sharp, sterilized knives, workers move through the fields with precision, carefully selecting only the most mature leaves. The key is to cut the leaves close to the base, without damaging the plant itself. This allows the aloe vera to continue growing and producing new leaves, ensuring a sustainable harvest for years to come. It's a dance between man and nature, a testament to the farmer's deep respect for these incredible plants. Once the leaves are harvested, they're carefully gathered and transported to nearby processing facilities. The first cut is the deepest, as it releases the precious gel inside the aloe vera leaves. Factories employ skilled workers to make these initial cuts, ensuring maximum gel extraction. This precise cutting process is crucial for maintaining the quality and potency of the gel. As the gel is collected, it undergoes further processing to become the soothing products we know and love. This is where the real transformation begins, where those fleshy leaves will be processed into the soothing gels and extracts we know and love. All right, folks, we've made it from the sun-drenched fields to the heart of the operation, the aloe vera processing plant. These factories are massive, state-of-the-art facilities humming with activity 24/7. We're talking conveyor belts, stainless steel tanks, and enough machinery to make your head spin. But don't let the industrial setting fool you. There's still a whole lot of care and attention to detail going on here. Every step of the process, from the moment those leaves enter the factory to the final bottling, is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality product. Teams of workers clad in hairnets and gloves move with purpose, their movements honed by years of experience. These are the unsung heroes of the aloe vera industry, the folks who transform those spiky leaves into the soothing products we rely on. First stop on our factory tour is the washing and filleting station. Think of it as a spa day for the aloe vera leaves. Fresh from the fields, these leaves are still coated in dust, dirt, and maybe even a few stray insects. We gotta get them squeaky clean before we can even think about further processing. The leaves are loaded onto conveyor belts and given a thorough wash using industrial-strength water jets. These aren't your garden variety sprinklers, folks. We're talking high-pressure streams of water that blast away any impurities, leaving the leaves sparkling clean. Next up, it's filleting time. Skilled workers use specialized knives to carefully fillet the leaves, preparing them for further processing. Extracting the liquid gold from aloe vera is a precise process. Let's see how factories achieve this with great care. The filleted leaves are transported to massive stainless steel tanks where they're subjected to a process called cold pressing. The leaves are slowly crushed under immense pressure, forcing the gel out through fine mesh filters. It's a slow and steady process, designed to extract every last drop of gel without damaging its delicate molecular structure. The freshly extracted gel flows like a thick, viscous river, collecting in large vats beneath the presses. It's a sight to behold, folks. The lifeblood of the aloe vera plant, ready to be bottled up and shared with the world. The freshly extracted gel might look pure, but there's still meticulous work to be done before it's ready for your medicine cabinet. Filtration is key, and this is where things get really high-tech. The gel is pumped through a series of increasingly fine filters, removing any remaining impurities like leaf fragments or plant fibers. This ensures that the final product is crystal clear, free of any unwanted bits and pieces. Some companies even use activated charcoal filters to further purify the gel, removing any residual color or odor. The science of stabilization is crucial for aloe vera products. Left to its own devices, aloe vera gel will start to degrade quickly, losing its potency and fresh quality. Factories employ various methods to stabilize the gel. One common method is pasteurization. The gel is heated to a specific temperature for a precise amount of time, neutralizing harmful bacteria or enzymes that could cause spoilage. Another method involves using natural preservatives. Companies are incorporating ingredients like citric acid, vitamin C, and rosemary extract to keep the gel fresh and stable. It's all about finding the perfect balance between preserving the natural goodness of aloe vera and ensuring a safe, effective product for consumers. Now, most of us are familiar with aloe vera in its gel form, right? But did you know this versatile plant can also be transformed into a concentrated powder? That's right, folks. Aloe vera powder is a thing, and it's pretty darn amazing. Think of it as instant aloe vera, ready to be rehydrated and used in a whole range of products. The process of creating aloe vera powder involves some fancy-sounding techniques like spray drying or freeze drying. Essentially, these methods involve rapidly removing the water content from the gel, leaving behind a fine, concentrated powder. This powder retains all the beneficial properties of the gel, but with a much longer shelf life. Aloe vera powder is a versatile ingredient, popping up in everything from dietary supplements and sports drinks to cosmetics and even pharmaceuticals. In the factory, these transformative processes ensure that aloe vera's benefits are preserved and made accessible in various forms. Quality control is vital in aloe vera production. Factories ensure their products go through rigorous testing. These aloe vera factories are committed to maintaining high standards, and they won't let anything subpar pass through. A series of tests are conducted to ensure the final product meets the highest standards of purity, potency, and safety. Technicians in white lab coats analyze samples, checking for pH levels, microbial contamination, and the concentration of active compounds. It's like a CSI episode in here, but instead of solving crimes, they're ensuring perfect aloe vera. Alright folks, we're in the final stretch now. The aloe vera gel, purified, stabilized, and tested, is now ready for its final steps. This is where packaging magic happens, turning the raw ingredient into the sleek bottles and jars we see on store shelves. The gel is carefully measured and dispensed into its final containers, from travel-sized tubes to industrial-sized drums. Labels are applied, caps are screwed on tight, and the transformation from spiky leaves to a marketable product is complete. The finished products are packed into boxes, loaded onto trucks, and shipped to warehouses and distribution centers worldwide. From there, they'll reach your local grocery store, pharmacy, or online retailer, ready to soothe your sunburns, moisturize your skin, and maybe even add a little pep to your smoothie. The packaging process is a critical part of aloe vera production. Factories handle this with incredible precision. We're talking about a carefully choreographed ballet of conveyor belts, robotic arms, and high-speed fillers, all working in perfect harmony. The air hums with a mechanical symphony as these machines whir and click, transforming raw materials into sleek, consumer-ready products. It's enough to make your head spin, but trust me, there's a method to this madness. Picture this: empty bottles, sparkling clean and still warm from the sanitizing process, march down the line like tiny soldiers reporting for duty. They're met by a battalion of filling machines, each one calibrated to dispense the precise amount of aloe vera gel, no more, no less. It's a marvel of precision engineering, ensuring that every single bottle contains the perfect dose of soothing goodness. As the bottles zip along the conveyor belt, they pass through a series of checkpoints, each one manned by eagle-eyed inspectors. These folks are the last line of defense against any imperfections, ensuring that only the highest quality products make it out the door. They're checking for everything from fill levels and label alignment to cap tightness and overall appearance. Choosing the right container for aloe vera gel is an art, and factories make these decisions with great care. These aren't your grandma's mason jars, folks. We're talking about high-tech packaging designed to preserve the freshness, potency, and purity of that precious aloe vera gel. First up, you gotta consider the material. Plastic is a popular choice. It's lightweight, durable, and relatively inexpensive. But not all plastics are created equal. Some types can leach harmful chemicals into the gel, especially when exposed to heat or light. That's why reputable aloe vera companies opt for high-quality, BPA-free plastics that won't compromise the integrity of their product. Then there's the matter of opacity. Aloe vera gel is sensitive to light, which can degrade its beneficial compounds over time. That's why you'll often find it packaged in opaque or amber-colored bottles, which help to block out harmful UV rays. And don't forget about those airless pumps and tubes. They're not just a fancy design feature. They actually help to minimize the gel's exposure to air, further extending its shelf life. Alright folks, we've reached the point in our aloe vera adventure where the magic of data and logistics comes into play. Now this isn't just about moving bottles around, my friends. This is where the information highway kicks in, packed with details about every step of the production process. But with so many data points and technical terms, it can be tough to know what to focus on. First and foremost, you want to make sure the data is accurate and up to date. Look for systems that clearly state this, and don't be afraid to dive into the reports and check out the details. Ideally, you want to see real-time data with minimal discrepancies. Next up, check for certifications. Certifications from reputable organizations ensure that the data management systems meet high standards. You might also see certifications for data security, which appeal to companies with specific compliance concerns. As we continue our aloe vera odyssey, those perfectly packaged products are prepped for their final journey, from the factory floor to your doorstep. It's a logistical ballet of epic proportions, involving trucks, trains, ships, and even airplanes, all working together to get that soothing aloe vera goodness into the hands of eager consumers worldwide. These trucks fan out across the country, delivering their precious cargo to distribution centers and warehouses. From there, the aloe vera continues its journey, navigating crowded city streets and winding country roads, all to reach its final destination, the shelves of your local store. The logistical challenges faced by factories are immense, requiring precise coordination and timing to ensure every bottle of aloe vera gel reaches its destination. So the next time you reach for that bottle of aloe vera gel, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. Aloe vera, a global phenomenon. We've journeyed from sun-drenched fields to bustling factories, witnessing the incredible transformation of aloe vera from plant to product. But the story doesn't end there, folks. Oh no, this is where things get really interesting. We're talking about the global aloe vera market, a multi-billion-dollar industry that spans continents and touches the lives of millions. Remember that little plant you might have on your windowsill? Turns out, it's a global superstar. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the sun-kissed beaches of Brazil, aloe vera has become a household name, synonymous with soothing relief and natural wellness. We're talking about a product that transcends cultural boundaries and language barriers, a testament to its universal appeal. Walk into any supermarket, drugstore, or beauty supply store, and you're bound to find an entire aisle dedicated to aloe vera products. We're talking gels, creams, lotions, juices, supplements, you name it, they've probably found a way to infuse it with aloe vera. Thanks to the efficiency of these factories, aloe vera products reach markets worldwide, fueled by a growing awareness of natural health and wellness. Now, with an industry this big, there are bound to be some major players, companies that have built their empires on the back of this humble succulent. We're talking about aloe vera giants, multinational corporations with sprawling plantations, state-of-the-art processing facilities, and global distribution networks. One such titan is Forever Living Products, a company that's been leading the industry in innovation and quality for over 4 decades. They've got it all, folks, from massive aloe vera farms in the Dominican Republic to cutting-edge research labs in Texas. And they're not just churning out bottles of gel. They've got a whole product line, everything from aloe-infused drinks to skincare and even pet care. Then there's Herbalife Nutrition, another global giant known for its innovative approach to aloe vera products. They've tapped into the growing demand for health and wellness products, incorporating aloe vera into their nutritional shakes, supplements, and weight management programs. And let's not forget about the countless smaller companies, family-owned businesses, and independent farmers, all playing their part in this thriving global industry. Now, it's easy to get caught up in the world of gels and creams, but let's not forget about the bigger picture. The aloe vera industry isn't just about soothing sunburns, it's a powerful economic engine, creating jobs and boosting economies. Factories play a crucial role in this economic impact, transforming raw aloe vera into valuable products. These factories provide numerous jobs, from processing to quality control. Aloe vera provides a steady income year after year. The entire supply chain generates jobs and stimulates local economies. It's a win-win. Consumers get natural products, and communities benefit from sustainable income. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed from the sun-drenched fields where aloe vera thrives to the high-tech factories where its healing gel is extracted, processed, and packaged, ready to soothe and rejuvenate people all over the globe. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our ability to take a gift from nature and amplify its benefits through innovation and technology. We've seen how those spiky leaves, once revered by ancient civilizations, are now at the heart of a multi-billion-dollar global industry, creating jobs, boosting economies, and improving lives. But more than just a commodity, aloe vera represents a connection to nature, a reminder that the answers to many of our modern ailments can be found in the world around us. That little plant on your windowsill, the one you might have taken for granted, is a powerhouse of natural goodness, packed with vitamins, minerals, and healing compounds that have been soothing and rejuvenating skin for centuries. And thanks to the dedicated farmers, scientists, and entrepreneurs who have devoted their lives to unlocking its secrets, we now have access to aloe vera in its purest, most potent forms, combining tradition and technology to bring nature's gift to the world. As we move towards a future increasingly defined by sustainability and environmental awareness, aloe vera factories are leading the way. These factories utilize a plant that thrives in arid climates, requiring minimal water and resources to flourish. Aloe vera is a gift that keeps on giving, with each leaf capable of yielding its precious gel multiple times a year. The aloe vera industry isn't just good for our skin, it's good for the planet. By supporting sustainable farming practices, reducing waste, and embracing eco-friendly packaging, aloe vera factories are proving that it's possible to achieve economic success while respecting the environment. So the next time you reach for that bottle of aloe vera gel, remember that you're not just getting a product, you're investing in a sustainable future, you're supporting farmers, empowering communities, and choosing a path that benefits both people and the planet. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I feel a sunburn coming on. Time to go find my aloe vera gel.